how to make $1,000 per month by doing CPA marketing. What's up, guys? My name is Philemon Shepo here, and in today's video, guys, I'm gonna be showing you how to make a quick 1,000 back online by doing CPA marketing. Yes, I know you cannot see my face because it's in the dark time, so and then the view is not really good, so it will be just bad, but you can see the screen and everything. So plus you can check out my other videos and see how I look like if you are wondering, right? So but in today's video, I'm gonna show you one way at one product you're gonna be able to promote, right? That you're not gonna expect because this product highly converts, right? It highly converts. Right? So one product that you're gonna be able to promote, right, and actually make sales fast as soon as possible, right? So you're gonna use this the easiest way possible, right? So in the product is not clickbait product, it's not other product. No, it's a let me actually show you the product. It's a get response, right? So this is get response. Now if you don't know get response, guys, the link in the description of it if you want it to get it. It's basically a email automation system that helps you basically write automatic emails to to your potential buyers, right? So people who you want to sell either more products or inform them about something, but you want to do it like automated for everyone, like for example who shows up in your ebook. You want to send them an automated email, you use this platform. The good thing about get response is that they have the spam score, so it's really it's not easy. I mean, it's not hard really to be on the primary side of Gmail, because with other email platforms, if you send out the email, it's straight gonna go up to the spam box, because it does not notify you that hey, this is the part that is wrong, and Google is gonna consider this as a spam. So which this one, it tells you that hey, don't put in this word, it's gonna be considered a spam to Google. Try to put in this word, right? So here, let me just tell you why this is actually a nice program, right? Because first of all, it has a free 30-day trial, right? A free 30-day trial if you want to use it, right? So you go in here, you get your link, you say affiliate marketing if you want to grow, right? So it has three plans, right? So for 15, if the $15 email plan, right, you pay $4.99 per month, right? And the pro plan is $49, and then you get this is, by the way, a commission you get. Right? So the person pays 49 and you get a commission of 16. Or if the person gets if the person pays the 165 max plan, you get a $54 commission. Right? So let's say this person, let's just say he makes let's just say the middle one, not let's not low ball it too much, and let's not high ball it, right? So it's in the middle, right? So basically what you're gonna do is go to Quora, right? So if you don't know, Quora here is where people go if there are certain questions, they go there and if they need them to get answers, right? And yes, I've been doing Quora, and I've been just doing it for the past day and a half, and it's been getting actually good results with it. I answered 15 questions so far, detail fully, and I put in my link of my videos, and it's actually been converting so good. I'm proud of it. But so you wanna go in Quora, you either go on answer, right? Or but then you answer the questions according to what you know about, right? So in this case, let's say get response, right? So in this case, let's just search for what are you gonna search for? There's something best best email marketing, right? Best email marketing, let's just say best email marketing strategy or something like that, right? What is the best way, right? Let's just say best email marketing, right? And let's just see what type of questions pop up, right? So basically right, so wait, so let's go to questions, right? So let's filter by questions, and so actually because we want questions, right? So this is which are the best email marketing tools. Now you want to go in here or in whatever in which one you ever know most about, or like what is the best email marketing software which is free to use, right? So you want to go in here, for example, let's say in that question, you can see all those people that answered. There's 100 plus answers, there's 100 plus answers, right? So there's a lot of tons and tons of answers, right? So let's just say we want to answer this question. let's just say you want to answer this question. Now this is what's going to allow us, because this page is already getting a lot of answers and a lot of people are coming on, so they are more likely to see your answer, right? So let's just say you want to answer, right? So you want to add a comment, or they say answering, right? So you want to give out a fully detailed answer, on how to basically do this, right? So for example, I want to explain, for example, let's say, hey, you want to just give it like, for example, hey, I use get response, and don't say get response at first, just like, hey, give the value like, hey, I've been doing affiliate marketing for a certain amount of months, and I've been doing it through YouTube or through Facebook, and 60% of my results been coming from uh, get response, right? So I know you probably know already about get response, or probably don't, but then, right, so this is what you're telling the person, but then it's free to use for 30 days, right? So it's free to use for 30 days, and the reason I like about it, then you state the reasons why you like about it, and don't sound all salesy and thing. You want to first give out value on the good things about the program, instead of you actually just say, hey, go check out get response, right? Because no one is going to do that. And so first you want to give out the good reason, and compared to the other email place, and say, hey, I took for example, let me say MailChimp, right? So I took MailChimp. I thought it was a good one because it was free, but then the thing is, when I used to send out my email, it used to go straight to the spam box, right? So basically that is why I chose get response, because blah blah blah, and it's this and this and this. Hope that that helps to give you a more detailed answer on what is the best. If you wanna check it out, it's free for 30 days. You can go check it out here, right? Then you give the link to get response, right? So and then, right, so that's basically the roundabout it. So right, so let me actually give you the result, right? So there's 100 plus answers, except like here, right? So this 100 plus answers. Where did I saw that thing, right? I cannot see it anymore, but anyways, there's 100 plus answers on this, for example, on this one, right? Exactly 100 plus answers, right? So which means there's a lot of answers on this thing, right? So what you wanna, let me actually calculate to you guys and show you what you can do. I mean, what is the what is it to making 100 bucks, right? So you wanna be sending out, for example, 15 emails every single, not emails, 15 answer at least 15 per day, which will equal to, if you make 15 per day, right, times that by 100, I mean by 30 days, let's just say 28 days, 28 times that by times 28, right? 28, you'll equal to, that's 360 questions by the end of the month. But you're just doing 15 questions, answering 15 questions per day. That's 360 questions, right? Let's say from those 360 questions, only 50% of them, wait, I did my math wrong, right? So from 350, you minus 50, minus 50%, right? So 100, you only put your link in 105, right? So 105 of the emails, and then those 105 emails, 175, I think, right? 175 emails, let's say 100 people bought, right? And the other 75 did not buy. Let's say 100 people bought, and then you times that by 30, or 28 days, let's say 28 days, right? So 28 days, boom, 2,800. Exactly, it's even more than $1,000 per month, right? It's actually more, and this is a powerful way, because these are already proven emails that it's working, and a lot of people are gonna see these emails. And plus, since you are answering a lot of people, more people are more likely to ask you questions, and basically because you know what you're doing. Or let me show you something, if I'm even allowed to show you this, or probably bless amount, right? Anyway, it was here. There were some, when I logged on today, they were telling me that, hey, this person asked you a question, and there were like 3 questions, and remember, I only answered 50 questions yesterday, and I was already like answered 3 questions exactly. Here are the 3 questions I still need to answer, exactly 3 questions I still need to answer, me asked personally by people, right? Because I gave value, and so that's what you want to do. And if you do that for 28 days straight, you come on here, you take an hour out of your day to make 12,000 bucks per month, or let me say 1,000 bucks per month. You take an hour out of your day answering this. and I promise you by the end of the month you'll get yourself for 1,000 bucks. Right, so you'll be doing this. So this is one of the best ways to do affiliate marketing with CPA. Right, so thank you guys for watching. I hope this video helped you, and if you want to check out Builderall and see more about it, the link is in the description. I'll put the link to Builderall there. Or if you want to check out my #1 recommended section on how to make money online with affiliate marketing, the way that helps me make money online with affiliate marketing and actually convert more and get more sales by doing less work, guys. Also, the link in the description, which is my #1 recommended section, and that's the first link in the description. So subscribe to the channel if you are new, guys. See you in the next video. Peace.